Doing a simple, easy pull install. Doesn't get much better than this, with the panel being outside, equipment past the AC unit, all on the same side. On this one, ran a 30 amp circuit, QO breaker. Got to run across the foundation here, 3/4 conduit. Got Jaden learning how to do the controls, wiring up the pump, lighting circuit. It's gonna be protected with this GFI over here. Then you got the transformer, control wires. Got to have all the tools on the AC unit. That's how we rock. Come over here, we got some pull equipment. Pull all the 24-volt lighting in this light box here. 220 to the pump. Just landed the ground wire here. So go from this clamp to the ground rod, to the lighting, pump, and then back to the transformer and panel. And yeah, simple pull install.